Hey YouTube, welcome back to the Grookey Gang channel. Today we're going to be opening up a Polteageist V box. Picked this up at Target recently. They're having a really good sale on Pokemon stuff. Pokemon products are 10% off. And then you can also add another 15% off with the Target Circle app. So I think this came out to like 15 bucks maybe. So let's just get right into this. I don't know why I opened this up like a madman, but I did. You see, we have our promo card, Polteageist V. And then give you a closer look at that one. Has the Teapot of Surprises ability. Put that off to the side. Have our jumbo card. Then we have 2 Rebel Clash packs, Sword and Shield pack, and not my favorite, XY Steam Siege, and a code card, of course. So let's just get the Steam Siege out of the way. Here's a code for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Started off with Gastrodon, Shieldon, Ampabomb Palm, Litleo, Nosepath, Chimchar, Meowth, Hoppip. Got the reverse hollow. And the Hydreigon. Alright, let's do Sword and Shield. We'll rip that right open. Another code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start off with Metal Energy, Pokegear 3.0, Aurora Energy, Ferrothorn, Goldeen, Rosalia, Joltik, Silicopra, Blipbug, Reverse Hollow Ferrothorn, and here's the rare, non-hollow. Take it to Rebel Clash next. One, 2, 3, 4. Another Metal Energy, Palpitoad, Scoop Up Net, Chatot, Mr. Mime, Galarian version, Caterpie, Barboach, Arrokuda, Stuffle, Impidimp, and Snorlax. And for our last pack, Rebel Clash. One, 2, 3, 4. We got Psychic Energy, another Chatot, Charjabug, Skuntank, Snover, Natu, Trubbish, Pidove, Barraskewda, Reverse Hollow, and here's our rare Flapple, which is cool because I need this one actually for a deck I'm building. So that's perfect. So there you have it, guys. 4 packs from the Polteageist V box. If you guys like this video, drop a like. If you really enjoyed it, you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. See you next time.